Hey everyone, I'm William Davies. I've got something extremely special to show you all, so come with me. We're at 37 Dale Avenue in Chain Valley Bay. Only moments from Lake Macquarie, we've also got an in-ground pool. So not to sound too corny, but we've literally got the best of both worlds. The double-storey family home is bursting with features. We've got 5 bedrooms, 2 with en-suites, stylish modernised kitchen, open plan living and dining. There's even a double carport, providing plenty of room for those with boats, caravans or cars.